seconds. The first opening is absolutely quiet. In fact, the Sensex is already in the red, and now the Nifty mid-caps are sort of, just flatlining. What's gaining this morning is a lot of the pharma names. So there is a defensive move, definitely. Sun Pharma, Divi's, Cipla, all in the green right now. And you have something like Dr. Reddy's as well that's holding up. Apart from that, auto stocks this morning are not doing badly. Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp holding in the green, but barely really, just few and far between. On the downside, you have Asian Paints, Ultratech Cement, BPCL, Tata Consumer Products and L&T that are a tad bit in the red. Now the Nifty is picking up a bit of pace, so in line with what the SGX was suggesting, perhaps 35 points, but it's really it's not a conclusive recovery that you're seeing after the sell-off that we saw. So it's better to be a bit cautious in the market. There are a lot of stocks from the heavyweights that are exerting pressure, whether it's SBI, L&T, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Life, Bajaj Finserv, HUL, all trending in the red now. And the market is so very quiet. The breadth, though, is slightly in favor of the advances. So, and by the way, the Bank Nifty has now moved into the red, and so has the mid-cap. So as expected, the minor up move that we've seen has been used as an opportunity to sell into, and now all four indices are trending in the red. So there's still quite a bit of caution. What else are you noticing in the broader market?
There is a fair amount of caution, and the breadth that you spoke about, 1,500 stocks advancing for about 900 stocks declining. Let's see how that pans out through the course of the day, because on Friday this was extremely weak. In terms of the markets now, conclusively in the red for the mid-cap index, which is down almost 0.5%. But despite that, we're seeing some stocks do well. Suven Pharma, understandably, because the deal has opened about 5% higher and is gaining, though it'll be interesting to see how much do we have in terms of incremental gains out there, because a large part of that was factored in by the street itself. We're seeing some weakness on Quest Corp this morning, this on account of the fact that they've withdrawn their amalgamation idea with Alsec Technologies, move that would have caused some synergies, but now that has been withdrawn, so that stock is under pressure, was down 4% on Friday's trading session as well. We also are seeing some moves on restaurant brands Asia. They're bringing Popeyes to Indonesia, so that should be a positive. The stock's opened about 1% higher and now has quickly sold off. In the broader markets, we're seeing some, bounce back in a couple of these PSU banks. So Union Bank is up around 2%. All of last week, it saw a brutal sell-off. So, that is something we'll monitor. And some up move is what we're seeing in Siemens and a couple of these other names as well. Same, something like, Jubilant Foodworks, mildly higher. We're seeing some moves on the way up for Alembic Pharma as well, as a result of the deal that the company has announced. Alchem is the other one which is in focus. So we'll watch out for a bunch of these stocks. Nothing really to write home about. The mid-cap index in the red, while the Nifty is just shuffling between red and green around that 17,800 mark.
Mangalam, quiet, right? I mean, and quiet is how we would like the markets this week, and spend some time